What are assets and liabilities? Monkeys have a dream: to live surrounded by bananas, lots of bananas. But not all monkeys achieve it. Some have more, others barely one. Why? Because some understand the difference between assets and liabilities, and others don't. An asset generates simio dollars. A liability consumes them. That's simple. A banana tree is an asset. Every week it gives new bananas. The bananas can be traded for simio dollars. An inflatable bed that's only used once is a liability. It produces nothing. It only takes up space and costs many simio dollars. The wise monkey plants trees. The show-off monkey buys flashy glasses with lights. The saver monkey hides his simio dollars in a tin. The investor monkey trades them for beehives. Bees make honey. Honey is sold for more simio dollars. That's an asset. An asset multiplies simio dollars over time. A liability only causes headaches. If a hammock is rented to other monkeys, it's an asset. If only one monkey uses it, and it breaks easily, it's a liability. Many monkeys think that having more things equals wealth, but it's not true. The monkey with more assets has more freedom, more time, more bananas. What is net worth? It's what's left when liabilities are subtracted from assets. Net worth equals assets minus liabilities. If a monkey owns a banana tree, but still owes simio dollars for it, it's not fully his. When assets are greater than liabilities, net worth is healthy. When liabilities are bigger, the monkey is in danger. He might end up with no bananas. The party monkey has a jet ski, a house with colorful lights, and lots of debt. His net worth is low. The calm monkey has land, beehives, banana trees, and zero debt. His net worth is high. The goal isn't to own more stuff. It's to own things that generate simio dollars. More simio dollars means more bananas. With simio dollars, you buy time, peace, and freedom. With liabilities, only problems come. Banana summary. Assets equals a banana tree that gives fruit every week. Liabilities equals a golden statue that does nothing. Net worth equals everything a monkey owns, minus what he owes. Smart monkeys don't buy on impulse. They think of their future. They want every simio dollar invested to give more. That's the key to well-being in the jungle. Assets, fewer liabilities, and a strong net worth. So even if a storm falls, the wise monkey has reserves, security, and bananas to share. Give it a like, share, and subscribe for more banana economics.